Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Hyderabad, specializing in providing innovative building information modeling (BIM) solutions. With years of experience in the industry, Scon Design has established itself as a trusted name in the field of architectural and engineering services. The company is known for its commitment to delivering high-quality BIM services that cater to the specific needs of clients in Hyderabad and beyond. As a BIM company in Hyderabad, Scon Design offers a wide range of services that encompass the entire cycle of a construction project. From 3D modeling and visualization to clash detection and coordination, the team at Scon Design is equipped to handle all aspects of BIM implementation. By leveraging cutting-edge technology and industry best practices, the company ensures that clients receive accurate and efficient solutions. One of the key strengths of Scon Design as a BIM company in Hyderabad is its team of highly skilled professionals. The company boasts a talented pool of architects, engineers, and BIM specialists who are well-versed in the latest software and tools. This enables them to deliver customized BIM solutions that meet the unique requirements of each project. With their expertise, Scon Design ensures that clients receive accurate models, precise quantity takeoffs, and clash-free designs. Scon Design India Private Ltd has a proven track record of successfully completing BIM projects for clients across various industries. Whether it is residential, commercial, or industrial projects, the company has the expertise to handle projects of any scale and complexity. By collaborating closely with clients throughout the project lifecycle, Scon Design ensures that their vision is translated into reality. In addition to its technical expertise, Scon Design also places great emphasis on providing excellent customer service. The company believes in building long-term relationships with clients based on trust and mutual respect. Scon Design India Private Ltd is a leading BIM company in Hyderabad, specializing in providing innovative building information modeling (BIM) solutions. With years of experience in the industry, Scon Design has established itself as a trusted partner for architects, engineers, and construction professionals. The company is committed to delivering high-quality BIM services that enhance project efficiency, reduce costs, and improve overall project outcomes. As a BIM company in Hyderabad, Scon Design offers a comprehensive range of services that cover every stage of the construction process. From conceptual design to construction documentation and facility management, their team of skilled professionals ensures seamless integration of BIM technology into projects of all sizes and complexities. By leveraging the power of BIM, Scon Design enables stakeholders to collaborate effectively, make informed decisions, and optimize the entire construction lifecycle.